Last week gold went down more and big psychological level 3300 it break down last week and clear closing below support area. You can see how many time price tested this support before final breakdown. So this area now resistance. Same thing apply once again. After breakdown, that was one attempt Friday last week and failed to break out. But on second and third attempt, maybe it can break out. But compared to this vertical move, this length of correction very small. I think price can go up once again above 3270 resistance area. This is fast and big resistance. Below this area, bearish bias. Above this area, bullish bias. But risk management level, main resistance is still same like last week, 3360. As long as price trading below this area, it is bearish, and below this area you can sell, but you have to manage your risk minimum 3360 until price start making higher high with higher low. A clear support area, that dip buying is happening near 3200 level, plus a clear breakout above 3270 level. Before that, gold is bearish and bulls only wait and watch, because in that condition breakout retest on this previous support you can easily buy. But until 3360 level breakout once again, price recover back to that area, I don't think sentiment will recover very easily, because these were your Chinese buyer. They bought ETF, price melt up to 3500. They panic, start dumping, price collapse back to 3200. When they stop selling, price stop collapsing below 3200. US hedge fund crowd, COT, you can see still they are dumping gold based on volume confirmed by Goldman Sachs Bank. Volume came from China, but you can see China and US both players they are dumping gold at the same time. But price was struggling to break down 3200. Maybe selling pressure stop, but that is psychological level. It break down more. Big level is 3164. That is big static support level. Top to bottom 61% retracement. And price action clearly saying lower low with lower high. So crowd will shift from buy to sell side. So this area 3164, we stop selling and trade with bullish bias. But as long as price trading below 3360, trade with bearish bias. On current price area, that can be retest and new lower low on resistance area, or it can be triangle chart pattern. That means sideways correction after breakdown, but big support 3164 and big resistance 3360. And you can say it larger degree AVC wave with triangle chart pattern correction in wave V. Right now we are in final corrective wave C. Gold daily, if you see 1 year ago triangle chart pattern, 5 impulsive wave complete, big vertical crash, multiple red closing. So correction started, if price goes down more, then final fifth wave, this area 50 to 61, this is retracement, this is fifth zone, and big static support 3164 to 3230. This is support zone, because more sideways range continue on intraday time frame. Time will come when this trend line, a strong one, that will be near this support zone. So you have static support zone, a trend line, fifth retracement, all of those things near same place. So in this support zone area, do not sell, trade with bullish bias, because sentiment change at top from 4k. Now everyone saying price will go 3k, but like we were expecting, second quarter correction started, and wait and watch, it will be sideways correction like last year or total trend reversal. So this week big news, Fed FOMC. Still all the available information right now does not justify rate cut, and rate cut is not fully priced in. If they cut this week, that will be shocking reaction. But June FOMC meeting, rate cut is coming. Either they cut in June or revise their SEP. They have to do something, either cut short term or long term. That stock market panic over, fully recover before tariff market crash begin. Tariff turn into nice trade deal. Even Japan is giving warning. If they do not do nice trade deal, do not fix tariff, then they will dump their US treasury. So not just stock, bond market yield, they also reverse. No reason to start QE. If QE not happening, there is no reason for gold to stay at 3500. So daily time frame, clear support zone 3230 to 3164. As long as price trading above this support zone, still hope this is a bullish trend and gold go up in future. Or more clarity, H4 3360, if that resistance breakout, then confirmation correction over, new bullish wave coming. But you should not be surprised. Number 2 gold consumer market, right on top, their market hit big psychological mark 100k. Consumer dumping jewelry, nobody buying, everyone waiting. So if goes down more, then dip buying can start everywhere from investor to consumer. Weekly chart, 2 red candlestick, and finally RSI coming from overbought condition. Monthly, we have closing of last month, the AVC or possible 135 impulsive wave. Closing came exactly at 61% projection near 3279. So from monthly time frame, this is your invisible big static resistance area. So for scalper, on this area, this is your main level. Either trade with bearish bias above this area or trade with bullish bias below this area. But this is main level from monthly, reversal or correction coming. Then this is the level, and market perfectly make closing price near that level. So best thing, you have clear static support and resistance on intraday chart. Technical are bearish, sentiment still minus infinity. So last week, perfect technical price action like old days. And big banks, Goldman Sachs, this time they did not give target like 4500, but they are saying the dollar is still overvalued, and because of falling dollar status as reserve currency, gold will keep flying. So big banks, after $300 crash, they are still bullish. Be careful, this resistance area 3260, this can be sideways range, but below 3360 gold is still bearish, and downside target 3164, and region is same. Nobody panic anymore. Trump based everyone back to normal, and no market crash, no need to do QE. Best Fed can do this week, stop their QT when no panic and nobody printing money, and big player dumping gold, China ETF, COT USA dumping gold, then high chance gold stay below 3360 level. And after correction, gold break down to 3164. And daily time frame clear static support zone.